Hello everyone, I am Dilip Kumar from Team AG4 of Final Year EC Department. So the title of our project is a Smart Mirror for Face Recognition and Voice Assistant. Before going into the topic, our main aim of our project is to convert a traditional looking mirror into a smart mirror. So we proposed a smart mirror which is interactive as well displays the real-time updates through widgets. Doesn't it feel good to know more from a mirror rather than yourself? For me, yes. So, a smart mirror is a two-way mirror with an electronic display behind the glass. The display shows the users with a different kind of information such as weather, time, date, and news updates, etc. So, the brain of the smart mirror is Raspberry Pi and acts as a medium between the internet and the display. So before going into the working, let us discuss few basic things what we have done. So in a mini project we have done the basic version of a smart mirror which displays only the information and which have three drawbacks. So which are the security, power consumption, and it is not an interactive. So in our major project we have overcome all these three things by adding face recognition for security purpose and motion detector for power consumption, and we have added all Alexa 2 for interactive. So the hardware requirements of this project are Raspberry Pi, LCD display, two-way mirror, and HDMI to VGA converter, and USB webcam, and speaker, etc. So for developing tool we have used Python 3.7 version, Node.js for displaying the content, and Raspbian as the operating system for Raspberry Pi, and OpenCV for face detection. Now getting into the working of the smart mirror, after booting up the system we need to run two commands to start up the mirror. So if a person stands in front of the mirror and the USB camera searches for the face, if the face matches with the entered data, it displays the person related information such as Gmail, email, etc. So if does not match, it just displays the time, weather, and date, etc. So for motion detection, when no one is in front of the mirror, it turns off the screen and go into the sleep within 3 seconds. Now let's see the output. So as I said before, after booting it up, we need to run these two commands. I just started now. Here we go. So here the motion detection information will be present, and the time, date, etc. and the calendar is present here, and few compliments, hi AG4, and the present news updates here, and weather forecast and weather report. And most important thing is, if no one is present in front of this camera, example here, after 3 seconds it turns off and detected my face within 2 seconds. Boom. Yeah. Thank you.